Hello, my name is Allison Lockhart, and I'm going to be presenting you with a slideshow about my term paper topic, Yeast Extract, the Ever-Growing Industry of Flavor. I chose to research yeast extract because of my employment as a lab tech at Red Star Yeast in Headland, Alabama. Red Star is owned by LaSalle, which also owns several other divisions. Two important ones are BioSpringer, which manufactures yeast extract, and LaSalle Human Care, which researches yeast as a dietary supplement. Yeast extract is mainly known as an important flavor enhancing substance in the food industry. It's able to provide distinct flavors while keeping the glutamate content low and providing vitamins, minerals, and amino acids. Yeast extract can also be found in beauty products and nutritional supplements, such as those manufactured by LaSalle Human Care. Justus von Liebig discovered that brewer's yeast could be concentrated, bottled, and eaten back in the 19th century. What he discovered was essentially a yeast paste and has undergone several changes of ownership since its discovery. Throughout every change, its name has never changed, nor its recipe. Can you guess what I'm talking about? Marmite. During World War I, Marmite was advertised as a great way for men in the field to get their nutrition, especially B vitamins. Yeast extract is composed of greater than 60% high-quality protein and also possesses many of the same taste-giving amino acids present in meat bouillons. Yeast extract is a mixture of protein, carbohydrates, amino acids, vitamins, and minerals. The vitamins present are naturally occurring B-complex vitamins. Goose knows that PowerPoints can be boring, so he thought he'd spice it up and give you some facts. Yeast extract comes from natural microorganism, and it's made through natural processes, meaning it's a natural ingredient. You can find it listed as natural flavor and not always yeast extract. Natural flavor sounds much more appealing than yeast extract. The production of yeast extract occurs through about 6 different steps. The first step is choosing the right type of yeast for the desired flavor. Once they have determined which type of yeast will produce the right flavor, they can begin developing the strain through inoculation of a pure culture into a growth medium. After roughly 36 hours, the growth of pure culture is inoculated into a tank and grown using molasses wort and other minerals. The process of fermentation produces cream yeast. Yeast extract producers take this cream yeast and break down the cells via one of 3 methods. After the cells are broken down, separation can occur. Once the cells are separated, the liquid yeast extract that's left can be further processed into a dried powder form, a paste, or kept a liquid. The 3 methods of breaking down the cells are autolysis, hydrolysis, and plasmolysis. Autolysis is the most common method used by commercial producers. This method involves breaking down the cells using the naturally present enzymes. It's important to carefully monitor this process to ensure the correct ratios of protein portions, nucleic acid, and polysaccharides. Each parameter of autolysis is crucial and influences the final taste properties of yeast extract. Hydrolysis is breaking down of those macromolecules using strong acids. The concentrated acid can be quite hazardous, and the production must occur in non-reactive materials or the surfaces must be lined with glass. Although it's known for its higher yields and productivity, the disadvantages are just too great to make it a viable option for commercial producers. Plasmolysis is the process by which rapid initiation of cell degradation occurs. Salt, ethyl acetate, and isopropanol are often used to facilitate this reaction. Salt not only facilitates the reaction, but it's also a bactericide and a flavoring agent. The salt is beneficial in keeping a low bacterial count, but it reduces the appeal to the food industry because of the high salt content. Yeast extract is mainly used for flavor in food and microbiological growth media. It can also be found in the beauty industry and in the human health industry. Because of the antioxidant properties, it's used in lotions and creams to neutralize free radicals. Lisaf Human Care produces Lineside Pure Same, which helps support emotional well-being as well as joint and liver health. Yeast extract is used to enhance flavor in foods such as soup, sauces, and meat and fish preparations. During manufacturing, the natural attributes and organoleptic properties are maintained. Not only does yeast extract bring its own flavor, it also balances the flavors already present. Depending on the type and amount of yeast extract, several different flavors can be added to the dish. Yeast extract packs a powerful punch of flavor while reducing the salt, fat, and sugar content of products. Nearly every kitchen contains a form of yeast extract. Bouillon cubes. Australians and English people likely have eaten the unique yeast extract product known as either Vegemite or Marmite, depending on where they live. Being a process-resistant ingredient means yeast extract can be added to many different types of products, including ready meals, frozen products, and fresh processed products. Last but not least, Goose wants vegans to rest assured knowing that yeast extract is a natural ingredient. Also, third-party nutritionists that aren't associated with any yeast producers have conducted tests and found no allergenic effects from yeast extract. I hope you enjoyed learning a little bit about the basics of yeast extract. I know I had a lot of fun learning new things and discovering how much I actually know already about yeast extract. Now I'm more in the know about what I'm eating and how it's made. Thank you for watching.